Good evening. We are doing a paint exercise very late in the day, but it is rainy. It is not nice weather. But here we go. We're going to do a daisy today. So first we're going to draw very lightly with a pencil 8 dots. Okay. And then we're going to draw the petals. And your daisy can be however big you want it. Daar sy sien dit is nie te loperig nie en ook nie te pigmented nie. Okay. Go to our paint and pick up some pigment and just put a dot down on each of those dots that you drew. You can make it a little bigger, Cinda, otherwise we won't have enough paint to work with. Yeah. Now we rinse off our brush in the dirty water. And we pick up some clean water, just water, nothing else. And then you draw, you pull the brush from the dot all the way to fill in your daisy petals. Why we're doing it with a pencil now is just to give you an idea how to fill your petals. Can you hear the rain? Raining lovely outside.
Perfect weather to paint.
Yes.
You can't be outside swimming or exercising or doing anything, so we're just using the time productively.
And we're going to choose like a burgundy color now. I think this one, Cinda. That one.
The same brush.
Yes, that will work.
This one?
Yes. So pick up some nice pigment there. And you don't need too much. That is perfect. That's perfect. So on top of those dots, you're going to make another row of dots with that color. Okay, can I show?
Above or on top?
Yeah, above. Sorry, let me show you. Yeah. Oops. Actually, we should have let it dry. That's okay. It will be okay. What color are we taking next? Another red. Yeah. Oh, I love daisies. And you?
And now yellow.
Yes. So now we take the yellow and we fill in all those negative space in between the dots that we made. Oh, it looks lovely.
Now I think it's a good example.
Okay. Okay.
Well, let's try, but
Oh, we want it to look more natural.
if I was a bee, I would rather come to this.
Yes. Okay, so now before you rinse off, okay, so draw yellow. I want to show you something. The stem, draw yellow. And then you take your green. So finally we're going to put on the stem we're using sap green. I just want to also mention that this lovely art exercise comes from Elizabeth Bostic from Instagram. I watched a reel from her and it inspired us to do this exercise today. So thank you, Elizabeth. It was really fun and easy and we loved it. It is still raining cats and dogs. Blessings to you all. Happy painting.